Two-time champion jockey Radish the Sneaky Fox Roman highlighted Saturday's 11-race card at Caymanas Park with a triple, which included the winner of the feature event as well as a milestone. 9 runners went postward for the Rimsky Trophy, a restricted allowance 2 contest for native-bred and imported 3-year-olds over 6 furlongs, with Tailor Made as the 6-5 favourite. Tailor Made went about setting the fractions alongside Victorious Lynx. However, the 2-1 second choice Fernando under Roman for 3-time former champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes recovered from missing the break to produce a terrific late burst, catching the leading pack within shades of the wire.
It's a midnight traveller as they've left the 3 and come toward the 5/16th. Victorious Lynx and the Tailor Made continue the battle up front. Victorious Lynx possibly by a nose. Here is Tailor Made kicking in on the outside, and Tailor Made now picks it up. Victorious Lynx continues to fight. Watch Any Means now coming with a surge down against the fence. It's a tailor-made Victorious Lynx and Any Means. That's the threesome. Here is Uncle Nally trying to close up. Fernando is looking for racing room. A bumping match going on. Any Means now picks up the lead. Here is Fernando now surging through on the outside. It's Any Means. Fernando coming with a late burst. Any Means giving way. Fernando wins the Rimsky Trophy. Any Means is second. Close between Uncle Nally, Victorious Lynx.
The 3-year-old Chestnut Colt covered the distance in 1 minute 14 and 2/5 of a second, winning by a half a length to close out a double for Nunes.
I came out very bad, so I just allowed him to take up in foot. So at that point, I was a bit worried about leaving the 4 furlong. I realized he will lean with a chance because they did not go anywhere.
Earlier on the program, Roman achieved a milestone, recording career win number 400 with the first of his 3-timer aboard the 3-5 favourite, the Hot Dancer for Nunes, in the 5th event over 5.5 furlongs. Roman's other winner on the program was the 2-1 chance Money Box in race number 6 over 5.5 furlongs. Racing continues next Saturday.